We've looked at a number of different formulas to allow us to calculate the time value of money. These were the formulas for the future or present value of a single cash flow, future value or present value of cash flow under continuous compounding, present value of a perpetuity and a growing perpetuity, and the present and future value of an annuity. Note that all of these formulas are designed to give us the present or future value. However, sometimes we know the present or future value and we might need to calculate other variables given in these formulas. In general, this is how we would go about rearranging a formula in order to solve for the variable that we need to solve for. This is the formula for the future value of a single cash flow. We can divide both sides of the equation by 1 plus r to the power of n. Then we reverse the two halves of the equation. The final step is to change some of the variables in the equation. The future value becomes a single cash flow, and what we have derived is the formula for the present value of a single cash flow. Another situation where we might need to solve for a variable other than the present or future value involves determining the rate of return, or the interest rate R. This is a general equation relating the future value and the present value of a single cash flow. We can manipulate that equation firstly by dividing both sides of the equation by the present value, raising both sides of the equation to the power 1 over n. After we do this, 1 plus r is no longer raised to the power of n, because if you raise something to the power of n and then raise that to the power of 1 over n, then the exponents cancel out. The final step is to subtract 1 from both sides of the equation, and what we've managed to do is isolate the r. Notice that this is in a yellow box, and therefore this formula will be on your formula sheet.